G'day folks, I'm going to be showing you how to add colour into a cell. So to start off with, I need to select the cell I would like to add colour to, and I have done that here in C3, and you can see I've got a little paint bucket just here, and if I click on here I can add a colour of my choice. We'll go, so that's 7G, where's my other 7G class over here? I'll select that and I can just click on that paint bucket and it will have the same colour selected. If I go to Year 9 Art, let's see, I'll go for a green colour and I can select that. I know that I have another Year 9 Art class. I can just keep pushing that same button. So essentially that's how you can add colour into a cell. You can see that there's a range of colours, and as I go over each one it appears in the cell, so you can see what it might look like. Now let's see, if I wanted to make 7J computers quite a dark colour, my dark text does not look so good, so I can make my text white, which means that my text for that will now stand out.